Hello, this is Gabriela. Today we're going to explore the blocks available in the manager practice area. As managers, we are allowed to decide what information the students need when they enter the course. But first, you should receive a confirmation by email to access into the manager practice area. I have my confirmation, so let's start. Click on Manager Practice Area and you will find the instructions here, the instructions section. I recommend to watch the video tutorial and follow the instructions. They are very useful and guide you in the process of editing the area. There is also a support section in the manager practice area with a forum in which you can participate by asking questions or adding comments or making suggestions. So now we're going to start editing the area. So click the green button and you will find this. Okay, so by clicking on add, the menu with the blocks open up. So I'm going to add an activities block, which I consider very useful for the students to know what they have to do. So click this button and it opens up in 3 options. You can delete it if you are not happy with this block. You can hide it and you can configure it. So I'm going to configure this activity block. This area we are not allowed to touch. So let's move to on this page area. You can decide if you want to make it visible or not. So I want my students watch it. Then the place where you want to display this block, I want it on the left and then save changes. Okay, and here you have. You can't, if you are not happy with this, the position of the block, you can move it with this function and here to the right, and there it is. Okay. The other block I consider useful for my students is the calendar. Okay, so the calendar allows my students to know what are the course events, the next events, okay, and here you have some functions. All of them are hidden, so if you click on global events, it will show to your students, okay. So now I'm going to delete it, clicking on delete the calendar block. And every time you want to delete a block, you need to confirm your decision. So click on yes. The other block I want to add is the people block. It shows all the participants in the course. And here it is. And I want to place it on the right. Sorry, on the left. Here, save changes, and here you have the people blocks. I want to add the Exabis ePortfolio block. In this block, you find the CV, the portfolio's artifacts, the views. You can share views and categories, import and export different stuff. I'm going to configure it and place this block on the footer left, okay, at the bottom. Save changes, don't forget. And my Exavis portfolio is in this area. Okay, if I want to move it, remember to slide the, here, slide the block, okay? And you can also add, let's see what other can we add. Latest announcements. Okay, here the block it is, and I want to move it first. Okay, I consider that the latest announcements are very important. Here, another participant has added the block menu block, which is interesting because it's allowed the students to notice the entries of for this course, the blocks entries. You can add a new entry. So this we are going to focus on this block in the next tutorial. So now I check that all the blocks I want are in my page, and if I am happy, click on the red button, and here you have the blocks I added in my page. Okay, so that is all. Thanks for watching me. Bye bye.